down, and you would see it would equalize with the PI on the bullet. Yeah, it would equalize, and there'd be no then actual reduction of that.
Okay. Actually, we need to be consider these. We are going to be depressurized in the vapor state. Maybe there is a chances of minor residual liquids. Actually, these lines we are using after the transferring the liquid from one bullet to another bullet.
Absolutely,
so whatever is the bottom debris or whatever it is stuck, it all goes to other bullet. We are not expect that. Okay. This line or maybe the 2 inch. I am not expecting.
I think we're spending. We're spending. I think we're spending a bit too long on this as well, because the consequence is the same. There's no issue. Essentially, it's just all we're doing here. All we're doing here is we're trying to identify potentially where a blockage is. That's it, and you know, that's all.
I agree. I'm just shooting in dark. I'm just giving a wild idea or wild thought. Is it possible to put this PI on the downstream of this arrow? And if not, why not? Can we put this PI downstream of this arrow before this one? Kedar, question to you.
Let's just follow with what Scott has mentioned. The whole thing is we just want to know that there is a blockage. If all the valves are checked that they are open, the only thing that will be left will be the arrow, and we will know that. So let's follow. Let's not take too much time on this.
No problem. Okay, so even though we are happy here, there is no problem at all. So we are saying there is no possibility of blockage. Even if some happens, the risk is very low. And we have got, SOP, we have got 2 pressure indicator, one just upstream of this arrow, and we have got 10 and competent team, they will monitor, and we have approved PTW and auto system, so no problem at all. Okay, now I want to rule out the jetty effect. So I will say no jetty effect for blocking this arrow, right, Sylvester? No jetty effect.
Well, you could also mention it there, and then you write there that next to it.
It's no. The consequence is the same. It causes no JT effect. Why are we writing no JT effect?
Okay, so where to put Scott? I mean, I think we should rule out.
No. What if you're suggesting is JT effect, or a cause is not no JT effect? Well, that's not a cause, is it?
Jet effect is not credible.
Exactly.
We can say no credible. No credible jet effect. Jet effect.
I don't know. Kedar, has this just been checked? A quick check. I mean, if I can get a HAZOP license, I mean, you know, we can look and see what the start pressure is, blow it down. Is